Both. I mean, we do see the opportunity in this sector. I think there are a couple of elements that we need to be careful about. One is that if you look at the parcel delivery and the cross-dock facility and look back in the last 10 or 15 years, we've had a variety of letters. We had the T, we had the U, now we're at the I. The question is this the shape of the future? So there's an element of caution that one needs to apply to this. There's also a lack of proven leasing history. And by no means I'm not pessimistic about this sector. I think it's growing. I think we just need to be a bit careful and really have some deep conversation with occupiers to really make sure that they've made up their mind as to what's the cross-dock of the future. The low site density clearly means higher rents, and you have to be comfortable with that. The good news is also these are in infill locations. So in the long term, there's a potential for higher and better uses, right? So there are also implications for potential conversion of other types of real estate into these type of product. Edge of town big box retail. There's a lot of that's been developed over the last 5-10 years that we may not need going forward. Is this a product that we might see conversion potential into sortation centers? So it's a very intriguing segment of the market, and clearly e-commerce is driving demand for product both at the big box end and at the sortation center end. Interesting space to watch.
Yeah, I think it's important to say. I mean, it is one of the biggest factors, but not to ignore, particularly in the UK. Manufacturing, aerospace, car production, etc. There are other sectors. It's not the only sector that's going to be driving this, the UK logistics.